Today we're gonna open box our new motorcycle. It's a mini version of motorcycle. It's a mini Ninja motorcycle sports bike. So it's in red in color. So we are so excited to open the box and we're gonna do a review on that toy. Okay. So let's go and check out the new motorcycle. Yes. Okay. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, look at this, our motorcycle. Wow, it's in red in color. It's a red motorcycle. So our box is opened and it is nicely packed. We can see so many parts and it's our big motorcycle. So we're going to take out one by one and we're gonna assemble it. So let's take out one by one, okay? Okay, the first thing we're going to take out is, I think this is the front wheel. So we got the front wheel. Then we got it, it's a front headlamp and the front windshield. Next one, it's a footstep, look like the footstep, and the gas pedal or accelerator. Then this one it's a back seat. This one is the steering, nice steering. Wow. Okay. This one, it's two tires that comes in the bottom. It will help to stabilize the motorcycle from falling. So this is that. And there's the instruction manual right here. Okay. And the motorcycle itself. Wow, this thing is huge. So that's a motorcycle. Okay, now let's take out from the bubble wrap and assemble the motorcycle. Wow. Okay, so that's the main body. Let's take out our steering wheel. Okay, comes with the charger. There's a 12-volt charger. Let's unwrap our front wheels, like upside down. Okay, let's insert our front wheel. When you insert it, make sure you connect your connection right here. Let's open the wheels. To the foot pedal. So let's open the foot pedal. There's a couple of screws. This. So let's connect the foot pedal. So you connect this. The foot pedal will go here. Next for the gas or the accelerator, connect that. And you push that in because you don't need it. So you will go like this. So you just push it in, it's tight. Now let's connect the wheel. Okay, so the wheel goes like this. Okay, it's fairly tight. So let's flip our motorcycle and do the rest. This thing is pretty heavy. It's about 25 pounds. Okay, so let's go and install our main front headlamps. Wow, it looks nice. Wow. Okay. So make sure you connect the red and black wire. Then you slide in your headlamp. Okay. Then after that you connect your handle. Okay. Because if you connect the handle before you connect the headlamp, it's not gonna go. So make sure you connect the handle after. So there's a screw here. You have to connect the screw there, and you have a screw here. The next one, you have to connect one more piece left. That's a seat. Before connecting your seat, connect your negative terminal. You take out the protective cover. Then you just connect, shows off, and you connect your negative terminal. Then you put your seat in. So this is how you charge it. You plug your adapter, and you just, there's a socket right here. So when you connect it, it will be green, and when you plug this thing here, it will turn red. And once it's fully charged, that light will turn green too. And there's a charge symbol right here. So once you plug in, there's a safety thing. It's the motorcycle is not on. So, and there's a battery charge indicator right here too. This one has a live headlamp. It light very good, and the wheel has a circular LEDs in it, and it lights up too at night. It's gonna be so good to see. And also has a tail light too. There's like 3 tail lights. It's actually a good replica of the real one. Very impressed with the build quality and everything, and you can play music here. I'm gonna have to put some songs in USB, then we'll be able to play some. Oh, there's a horn here. Okay, there's some music. Speedometer will light up when the motorcycle is on, and yeah, it's really nice. To turn on the motorcycle, you click that switch, you will hear that boom, boom, boom sound, and yeah, you go. Look at it, it has a really nice number plate in the back, and wow, he's a 4-year-old boy, and it's a perfect size for him. Okay, baby's ready. Let's try it. Okay, here you go. Wow. And the switch here, it's a brake. If you push that, the bike will stop. So when you do that, push it, baby. Okay, and push it. Here you go. So that means if you push it, if you push his leg, that will stop the bike right there. So that's a brake over there. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, definitely share with your friends, and if you are interested to buy one, I will have a link that in the description to click it and buy it. And if you have any question, just feel free to message me. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please consider subscribing. We will come with another beautiful video. Till then, it's Ethan and Aldo. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.